Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should open the settings application, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration, then just click here to sound mode and switch it to the silent one. And now our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. This means that the silent mode is turned on our device. And to turn off the silent mode, switch it here to the ringing, and that's it. Also, we can do it just by slide to the left side the ringtone volume panel, and by this way we can see that the silent mode is activated. When we'll unmute it, we can see that they activated the ring mode. And the third way how we can do that, just open the notification panel, and here you should find the ring just icon. Just click here twice and you will see that the silent mode is activated, and to turn it off you should click here once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.